So these are Cleco sheet metal tools. They come from the aircraft industry. I got these from a supplier in the US. These go through two holes, a hole in your sheet and a hole in your part. These little parts here can grip two pieces of sheet metal together. It's actuated by this tool, like such. Let's look at them in sheet metal now. So the part is just inserted into the tool like such. Squeeze the handles. There's that action there. Stick it in your pre-drilled hole. Squeeze first, in the hole, release. That holds the part on the inside. Here you see two Clecos holding my part inside the box at either end, and I was able to mark here where that middle hole needs to be drilled. Hands-free and accurate.